Hey, my name's Kenny, and I wanted to thank you for trusting 180 Contractors with your home siding project. In this quick video, we'll walk you through what to expect and how you can help us prepare for a smooth and successful siding installation. Number 1, material delivery. Before installation begins, we'll deliver the siding materials and a rubber wheel dumpster to your driveway. Our operations manager will coordinate this directly with you ahead of time. Number 2, porta-john replacement. We may drop off a porta-john near the road or driveway. This allows for easy cleaning and access to our crews. Number 3, installation start time. Our crew typically arrives between 8 and 9 a.m. Most siding jobs take between 1 and 3 weeks, depending on your home's size and the material type that we use. Number 4, inside wall prep. This is one of the most important steps of the preparation. Siding installation can cause wall vibrations. Please remove photos, artwork, or hanging fixtures from inside the walls. Number 5, electrical access. We'll need access to an exterior outlet or permission to run a cord from inside, so that way our crews have access to charge their batteries or use their electric saws. Number 6, yard decor and landscape. Please move yard decoration, lights, or statues away from the side. If you're unable to move them, our team will do our best to protect them. Number 7, cleanliness and cleanup. Siding projects can produce materials that nail magnet cannot pick up. Things like plastic trims or vinyl pieces. We'll do everything we can to keep your yard clean during the project, but if you see something we missed, please let your project manager know and we will make it right. We're proud to give your home a fresh, beautiful look installed with care and craftsmanship. If you have any questions or need anything at all during your project, just a call or text away. We appreciate the opportunity and look forward to transforming your home the 180 way.